Juicy news, hot news all time. Kennedy Agyapong, a Sin Central MP, has flown his wife and kids to Dubai for some sweet birthday chilling. Kennedy turned 61 years on June 16, 2021. By his own admission, he has 22 children. About 17 of them are female. The video shows Ken and his daughters seated at a dinner table with the old man being celebrated by everyone. Other scenes show Ken and his wife having a tender moment during the party.
Birthday boy. Family day. Family truck. Family. You're moving in style.
It's hot out here.
Boy. Boy. Birthday boy. Family day. Family truck. Family. You're moving in style.
It's hot out here.
Boy. Birthday boy. Family day. Family truck. Family. You're moving in style.
It's hot out here.
Boy. Birthday boy. Family day. Family truck. Family. You're moving in style.
It's hot out here.
Boy. Birthday boy. Family day. Family truck. Family. You're moving in style.
It's hot out here.
Boy. Birthday boy. Family day. Family truck. Family. You're moving in style.
It's hot out here.
Boy. Birthday boy. Family day. Family truck. Family. You're moving in style.
It's hot out here.
Boy.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.